In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get jobs at Zoho in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this guide will help streamline the process and get you one step closer to securing a position at Zoho. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Zoho's main website, zoho.com. Simply type it into your browser's search bar and you'll be on your way. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for future reference, as Zoho is constantly updating their site with new opportunities and features. If you don't already have a Zoho account, now's the time to sign up. Look for the sign up option, which is typically prominently displayed on the home page. Having an account will not only make applying for jobs easier, but also allow you to explore the various tools and features Zoho offers. If you already have an account, just go ahead and sign in with your credentials, and let's move to the next step. Now that you're signed in, scroll down to the bottom of the home page. You'll find the link that you're looking for in the footer of the page. Keep an eye out for a link that says Careers. That's where we'll be heading next. Clicking on this link will take you to Zoho's dedicated careers page, showing you the wide variety of roles they have available. Once you're on the careers page, the next thing to do is click on View Open Roles. This will provide you with a comprehensive list of all current job openings at Zoho. Take your time here and check through the list to find positions that match your expertise and career goals. When you find a job post that interests you, click on it to get more details. You'll want to make sure the job description and qualifications align with what you're looking for and your skill set. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on the I'm interested button to start the application process. After that, fill in all your details on the application form. This is your chance to shine, so make sure you provide accurate and comprehensive information. When you're ready, click on Submit Application to send everything off. Zoho also offers a convenient easy apply option. If you have a Zoho Corporation account or an Indeed account, take advantage of these streamlined application paths to speed up the process even further. That's it. With just a few clicks and by following these simple steps, you've taken a significant step towards landing a job at Zoho. Remember to keep an eye on your email for any correspondence from Zoho regarding your application. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.